Welcome back, everybody. Alex with Stop On Yellow RVing. Today we're looking at the all-new 2024 Pinnacle 38FBRK. It's the front bath, rear kitchen. One of the nicest fifth wheels that Jayco makes. Got your vacuum-mounted fiberglass sidewalls to it. Mow-ride rubberized pin box on the front there. This is going to have up to 120 pounds of propane. Three 40-pound bottles, I should say. Goes right in there. Starting off with this massive pass-through storage. This one's going to sit on a drop frame, so you get this huge one-level pass-through. You've got connections right here to set up an outside TV. Your fresh water bottle, that's going to run right to the refrigerator inside. Access to outside vacuum. And then you've got your JBL stereo system there for Bluetooth. Outlets as well. You get this nice astrofoil up under here as well for good insulation. Coming around the side here, you've got your hot water heater, spray port as well. You're also going to be seeing these things around the camper. These are thermistors or temperature sensors, so you can know what the temperature is outside the camper and inside when you're away from it. You've got outside speakers here, your mow-ride safety rail as well, and then your mow-ride sturdy steps too. You're going to have two power awnings on it, one right here, then one right there as well. Outside TV behind this compartment. Got these nice squared off windows as well, gives a nice sleek look to it. This panel, back your refrigerator. For servicing of this fridge, though, I have to take the entire RV apart just to get to that refrigerator if there's ever an issue with it. J-port system here for your slide-in griddle. Then you've got also cable hookups if you want to do a TV towards the back, and then outlets right there as well. Got this beautiful fiberglass back cap to it, all one piece. Then that ladder is going to lead you up to your fully walkable roof, which holds up to 4,500 pounds distributed. You've got prep for a backup camera there, as well as side view cameras on the side. Then you've got your 2x2 receiver there. One of the upgrades to the Pinnacle from the North Point. You've got this electric power rail to it. And you've got more slides right over there. Alright, let's get inside this thing and take a look. So coming on in, lead right to your half bath, but first, look at this fifth wheel. Got your huge L-shaped couch here. Nice accent lighting right up above it too. Got all tinted windows, lots of windows in here. A massive kitchen space with a full profile oven here. You can actually cook in. You've got your dishwasher down below here. Then one-piece farmhouse sink here too, with the sprayer faucet. And it's all solid surface countertops. Little slide out butcher block here for cutting board. That's all a true hardwood cabinetry in here. Even with this nice backsplash tile finish. Pop-up outlet right there, so you can plug in the coffee pot or crock pot. Nice little window off the back. Here you've got your convection microwave. Cabinetry up top. Spice rack that slides down. Then right above in the kitchen, you've got your fantastic fan with the rain sense to it. It's going to be for your freshwater drinking station. This for your max air fan. Then this to work some of your lights. You've got this huge slide out pantry here. Right next to that's going to be your full-size 21 cubic foot residential refrigerator with the French doors to it. Ice and water right on the door. Another pantry as well with motion sensing lights to it. Just getting another pan through here. Ceiling fan up top, and you've got some more lighting right up here. Jayco did a great job with this floor plan. All the accents on it. You've got a workstation right here. Oh, looks like I just set off the Jayco J voice. So you can go Jayco, Jayco, interior lights, and all the lights come back on. That'll work your lights, that'll work your HVAC system. Coming this way, you've got your table and chairs. As far as price, retails at about $159,000. We've got it on sale for $115,995. Little buffet top back there as well. Some more storage down over here. Another one of those pop-up chargers. Then both are emergency exit windows. Electric fireplace there. Your Insignia Smart TV. Then you're going to have your soundbar here as well. And you get this nice little kind of mantelpiece. Gives it that unfinished edge to it as well. It's just the little stuff with Jayco. And kind of their touches. More thermistors here. And then this is going to be your half bathroom here. Porcelain foot flush toilet. You have your vanity. And you've got medicine cabinet here. You got linen closet here. More storage way up top there. Another nice little one right down here. Another fan right up in here. Coming up this way, this is going to be your BM Pro system, kind of the brains of your camper. You can work lights, slides, AC, everything. As well as your auto leveling system. That's for your fan right there. Central vac system right on the step, so it's got the sweeper. You could attach the hose to it. Little shoe garage, place to kick your shoes. This is going to be your circuit board right here. So fuses and circuits. Even more storage right here. Nice coat closet. Looking up top, another cabinetry there. Ton of storage in this thing. Now we're taking a look at the bedroom here. Got your king size bed. USBs and outlets on both sides of the bed. You got little end tables there for your phone or drinks. More storage right up there. As well as a little dresser space there with some accent lighting under it. Decent sized drawers. Another hidden storage right here that'll flip up. Then TV. More storage. And with the Pinnacle, you also have the day and night roller shades. Then coming into the master bathroom here, you got your porcelain foot flush toilet, nice little teak seat, and your very spacious shower there. So you've got the two sprayers on it, the wand, and then the main shower head. Coming around this way, his and her sinks. Large mirror in here too. And you've got a ton of storage below. Now, one of the greatest things is the whole front cap. It's one big closet space. This is where you're going to have your washer, dryer prep. It's got motion sensing lights in here. Nice finish with all the woods. Ton of hanging space in here. Spaces for shoes. Yeah, a beautiful fifth wheel. Definitely one of the most popular ones on the market right now. Another pan back through here. Give you guys the length and the weight on it as well. one more nice look through. And then weight on it, we're looking at 15, 475 dry. It's about 15 and a half dry weight. This comes in at 43 foot 9 inches. GVW, you're looking at about 18,000 on this one. Once again, it's been Alex with Stop on Yellow RVing in Pete's RV Center, South Windsor, Connecticut. Thanks for checking out this Pinnacle with me. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment, and check out another video. Thanks.